guys, I am back with another video. Today, we are going to be cutting open. We're going to go see what's inside the football. So, let's get started. Alright. Okay, cut open the lace. You can see that. We're going to cut open the side laces. Okay. Looks and feels a little harder than I would like it to be hard. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. The camera shut. So we're gonna. Oh wow. Okay. I'm gonna cut open these other ones real quick. One more. Okay, well, got him. Look at that. That's so wicked. Okay, got them. Pausing it. Okay, I'm pulling them off one by one. There's an extra line right there, so we'll cut through that too. Cut through this other layer. Okay, the second layer is a little hard to get through, so it's gonna take some time. So we're gonna cut the video when we get towards the done. So cut the video. Okay, we got it open. There, we're gonna pull out straps. Okay. What I noticed is this connects to this. This one connects to this one. This one connects to this one. See? And the one on this end connects to nothing. Alright. You can see half of the inside. It's really hard. So we're going to cut open the rest of it. Let's do this. See that? It's really cool. So I'm going to cut open this side. We're going to cut the video a little bit. What? We're going to cut the video a little bit. Why? So we can, whenever the ball is officially off the skin, which is this stuff, we will come back to y'all because it's going to take a while. Holy shit. Video's back on. Okay, guys. I think we just popped it because it got flat and some fuzz flew all over the place. So, gonna keep trying to cut through it. Bye. Okay, guys, I think it's starting. Okay, I think it's strong enough for us. I think I'm strong enough to rip the rest apart. You see? Okay, hold on. Give me a minute. I want Starbucks. Whoever's nice enough, if you can send us Starbucks on our P.O. box. No, I'm just kidding. Don't send us Starbucks. Alright. Okay. Is it by? So, I got. Okay. Now,
I do not. Whoa. Don't cut
not
me.
like I'm gonna cut you. Or will I? Alright, face it to me!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, at least, huh?
He said, oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm a bad filmer.
Alright, I got. Look at that.
It's a hat. Where is a hat?
No, you. Alright. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, I might. This is the other side, and we're gonna show you what's inside. So it says that, and then we got this football-shaped balloon thing that I'm guessing is full of air. Cause can you hear that? And can you see that? That's a hole from the knife punctures, and then we got where the strapping is supposed to be. So usually the football go in. The football goes in, and then that's how it's supposed to look.
But with the strapping.
Yeah, but with the straps and the air.
And which is this?
Yeah.
This is a strap.
And with the air, this had no more air. It was popped. So it's supposed to look
Like a normal football.
like this, but with the strappings and with more air. See that? So, yeah. Those are all the pieces of the stuff. I'm going to hand this stuff to the manager. Yeah. So she has it right now. It's really cool. So I'm gonna let her keep this for her dogs. See how fast I can pop it. Hide everything. Hide everything.
Where are my slaves?
Hi.
Are my slaves done?
We're done now. We're gonna
Brooklyn,
Yes, sir.
do you think I slaved my family?
Dad, look, we cut open a football.
What the hell y'all freaking doing, man?
Cutting open a football.
That was her idea.
Well, look at it this way. Let me see, that's not bad. Let me see. It really don't look bad. Let's go look in the mirror. Or mama's dress, eh? Or go look in your room. Or wherever we got here. Oh, there's someone over here. Look. You don't look bad. To make hats. Alright, girls, y'all go play with it. And mama's taking her, scrubbing her booty.
Maybe you should send a picture to my sister. Maybe like we're footballs.
All right. So yeah, guys, you can make hats out of them.
Which is her dad came up with.
Yeah, my dad came up with that. But overall, it's really cool. Y'all can use this for, like, y'all can super glue it back together. Y'all can super glue it back together like this. You can make a leather frisbee. Yeah, that's cool. So, I'm gonna give this to her back there filming for her dogs. See how fast they can rip it up to shreds. We might film that, we might not, maybe not, maybe. But, well, I'm gonna keep this for decoration.
Okay.
And bye.
We know.
And bye.